Tens of millions of people are living with diabetes and prediabetes, which can lead to complications like neuropathy, a burning, tingling, even numbing sensation in your feet. But now there's a study to see how high-frequency technology used to help folks with chronic pain might help diabetics too. All in tonight's Health Watch. He stakes out the perfect spots to capture Mother Nature's majesty. From the Northern Lights to Yakusalan Glacier Bay, Steve Wheatcraft trekked all over Iceland for these shots.
I had walked over 6 miles and hadn't really thought much about it. Now that is night and day.
6 months ago, that never would have happened.
Not even, I wouldn't have walked half a mile.
For years, Steve felt like he was walking on pins and needles.
Standing for me is like worse than walking. And after half an hour, I was in tears. I was in so much pain.
He was diagnosed with cryptogenic peripheral neuropathy.
It comes with more of the burning sensation you feel and tingling and numbness. Some patients say, Doc, my feet on fire.
So Steve, like many, found relief at Nevada Advanced Pain Specialists.
Raise your thigh up. Hold it.
One of the tools being used by doctors Nairizi and Denis Patterson is the Nevro HF10 stimulator. It's implanted over the spinal cord to inhibit certain neurons that get wound up.
The belief is that the 10,000 hertz signal turns that off and prevents the patient from having a pain signal to the brain.
And you can test it out before surgery.
We test the medical device beforehand as a temporary one to make sure that the patient would benefit.
Dave Strictly just wrapped up his trial week.
Had the trial put in and I was like a different person.
So right away?
Right away.
Dave can't wait for his permanent implant on Friday. And he's not the only one. Neuropathy also affects diabetics.
Unfortunately, the higher blood sugars are toxic to nerves.
So this practice is part of a clinical trial to treat diabetic neuropathy with the same technology. And there's still room to sign up.
The more patients we have in this study, the better and stronger study we can have.
And the fewer people living in pain, so that patients like Steve can get back to enjoying the beauty around him. The deadline is approaching to be part of that clinical trial, sponsored by Nevro and hosted by Nevada Advanced Pain Specialists. You have until the end of April. There is going to be a free informational seminar. We're posting all that information on our website. It's happening next week. Just go to ktvn.com and click on the Health Watch icon.
See how the roads are